hear some noises. I think people want me out of here. The bridge to Dubai Islands. We are now entering Dubai Islands. It is a little bit foggy today. This is the shopping center right in front of us, the Nakheel Mall that is being built. Will be the second biggest mall in Dubai after the Dubai Mall downtown under the Burj Khalifa. So now we're going to be going to the beach first. Here to the right is actually a very nice project, Seaview Residences, that is being built. Now, Nakheel is the master developer, so on our left we have the Rixos being built, the Rixos Resort and Villas. And further out in the distance, we still cannot see the construction after these buildings. There's Bay Grove by Nakheel. Now we're going to turn left and go to the public beach and see what this is all about. Rixos going along splendidly, and here we are at the Rio Hotel. There's actually 3 active hotels, we say mid-range hotels on the beach here in Dubai Islands already. We have the mall on the left in construction, and right in front of us we'll get to the beach and to the other projects. You can already see some projects being built by Imtiaz. They are right now, after Nakheel, the #1 developers in the area due to their speed, quality and positioning. We have another project by Imtiaz being developed. The beach starts right here. Imtiaz Beach Walk Grand. Here it is. Nice little construction update here in Dubai Islands. Now, Imtiaz Beach Walk Grand right over there started recently developing. Here we have Mr. 8 fully operational. Now here we're on the second line to the beach. If you look right in front, you'll see there is one more line of projects. Those buildings right in front, those are also Imtiaz buildings. Now because all of them are low rise over here, you get a nice quick development. Here we are, MGS Properties developing Edgewater. For me, one of the best projects for price per square foot in the area, especially if you get a full water view, even though you're in second line. Over there we have a beach walk project. And over here we have Beach Walk 2 in construction. On the left, as you can see, we're right next to the mall under construction by Nakheel. So you have on one side the mall, and on the other side you have the beach. This is the original Beach Walk, and on the left there we have the Beach Walk 2 facing the marina. Now we're gonna turn right. We are here next to Villa del Gavi territory. Oh, a little Aston Martin on the way. And we're getting inside to the beach. Now, on the corner of the map, on the other side of this fence, we have Villa del Gavi. On its left we have Esme Residences. Behind it we have Beach Walk Grand 2 just launched. And here in front of us we're gonna have Ellington Cove in first line. Already launched and sold out. With a few cancellations coming here and there. Now Dubai Islands Beach. Here we are finally. Now, why do I like Dubai Island so much? And it's not just me, because it is the last waterfront community under development in Dubai with private and public beach access. Not only this, now once we go to the water, you'll see what I mean. In Dubai, it is in the top 2 places with the cleanest water. We are currently on Island A and all the main launches are happening right here. We do have the biggest public beach and the mall on this island. Now, next to our Island A, on the other side, we have Island B, where we have the Rixos and the villas being built. Then we have Island C, which you can see a little bit in the distance. So you can see a little bit in the distance, Island C. And on the left side, right in front of us, we have Island D. So this body of sand is Island D, and Island E is a little island separate to Dubai Islands on the side, which we can see on the map. Let's take a break in the Baskin Robbins here in Dubai Islands. Before we go into the Baskin Robbins, let me show you Flora by Octa. First line project by Centurion, marketed by Octa in collaboration. In the name of exploration, we are taking the car to the construction site of Ellington Cove. Let us see how far we can get along. Driving right inside. Here we are. Since they're on a break, well, Ellington does like to take some breaks, even though the quality is top, #1. All right, going all the way in. Okay, a little bit bumpy. And they've just started the excavation work. I don't see much. Oh, it's on the side. Here we have water, we have the beach on the left. I hear some noises. I think people want me out of here. We are actually in between Island A and Island D, which is right in front of us. Now Ellington Cove will be just before the bridge. Now this bridge here with water and with beach, it will have a waterway, so it will be 2 separate islands. Here we're on the marina side of Dubai Islands. You can see Beach Walk 2 almost fully built. The marina right in front. Here is the entrance to the marina. It is a little bit foggy today. It doesn't really do it justice. However, this is the marina side of Dubai Islands. Here in front of us, as you can see, Imtiaz's building. Beach Walk 4 is this one under construction. The one further down, which is almost ready, is Beach Walk 2. And here on the left, here we have the Cotier House 1 and 2. As you see, construction has already started. And the marina and the yachts are on this side. Finally arrived almost in time for sunset. Here we are at the Marina of Dubai Islands. As you can see, some super mega yachts in the distance, a few hundred meters away. Beautiful promenade. And our project under development 24/7.